Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles from The Simpsons. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything on hand for a smooth cooking process. Then, I'll guide you through mixing the batter to achieve that ideal texture, not too thick and not too thin. Finally, we'll get your waffle iron ready, making sure it's perfectly preheated and seasoned for those golden brown results. Let's get cooking. For our Simpsons-style waffles, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of sugar. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will help keep your waffles light and fluffy. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so be gentle. Before you start cooking, make sure your waffle iron is fully preheated to a medium-high setting. A well-heated iron is key to achieving that perfect crispy exterior. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the iron, spreading it slightly if needed. Close the lid and let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the steam stops and your waffle is beautifully golden brown and crisp. Repeat for all your delicious waffles. Once your waffles are cooked to perfection, serve them immediately to enjoy their warmth and crispness. They're fantastic with a drizzle of classic maple syrup, a handful of fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. You can even get creative with chocolate chips or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.